Hi everyone, thanks so much for joining me again. So today is September the 7th and school is going to be starting tomorrow, along with perhaps some people are going back to their workplaces. So today I'm going to be talking about easy school lunches or workplace lunches. And because there's more lunches that are needing to be packed now with everyone going back to school and some people going back to work, these lunches have to be quick and easy, and I definitely took that into consideration with today's recipes. So head on over to NicoleSinka.com to grab the recipes, and definitely stay tuned if you want to watch me make them.
So today I'm going to be making a smoked tofu sandwich, making my overnight oats as always. And I'm going to be putting together a bento box. These are so much fun when I was a kid. Some bean salad, some tempeh, crackers, veggies, etc. And I'm going to be doing a pasta salad. So these are back to school or work lunch ideas. Alright, so the first recipe I'm going to be making is a edamame pasta with red pepper and pesto. So just chopping up the peppers here, or should I say slicing them. I'm just going to be pan frying them for about 5 minutes or so, just until they start to be a little bit browned. And I'm adding that to the pasta that I already made. And then for the protein, throwing in some frozen edamame and some pesto. It's easy as that, simple, but also so delicious. I know you guys probably see me make overnight oats all the time, and I am indeed making overnight oats again this week, but this time what I'm doing is I actually blended up some frozen strawberries with the almond milk and mixing that in with the oats, the flaxseed, and the Greek yogurt. So it's a strawberry creamy overnight oat this week. So a little bit different than what I typically make. The next meal I'm going to be making is a bento box or a snack box. So I love these because you can always vary up the combinations. So today I have one with some bean salad. That's a pre-made bean salad. And I fried up some tempeh strips, and I also threw in some red pepper hummus, which is my favorite, some crackers, and a little bit of cherry tomatoes. But you can totally vary up the inputs, and your kids could even help you with putting these together. And then last but not least, I'm making a smoked tofu sandwich. So I'm just pan frying the sliced tofu until each side is browned, and I'm adding a marinade on top. So you can grab the full recipe at NicoleSinka.com. And I'm keeping all the inputs separate until I make them into a sandwich. So I'm just putting the tofu and all the veggies into one jar, and when I'm ready to assemble it, I will just put that on a slice of bread or 2 slices of bread, and add my condiments like my vegan mayo and some mustard. Alright, so we're all done here. So I have the tofu sandwiches on the right hand side there. I'm just going to keep them like that for now, and then put them on some bread when I'm ready to eat them. Then I have the bento boxes beside them. And I actually made 2 different pasta salads. So here's the pesto edamame red pepper one, and then I did one with chickpeas, Italian dressing, cucumbers and tomatoes. And then here is the strawberry creamy overnight oats.
Thank you so much for joining me today and watching me go through those quick and easy lunch ideas. I hope that you grab some inspiration from them. And don't forget to subscribe. I do these videos every single week, so definitely keep up with them. And head on over to NicoleSinka.com and grab the full recipes, and definitely let me know what you end up trying. All right, thanks so much everyone. Have a great day.